Good day, everybody. I trust you guys are well on this beautiful day. Allow me just to speak something shortly to you. Despite everything that's taking place in our world we're living today, let us always be positive in a negative situation. There's always negativity taking place. What I'm trying to say, negative, we see the gang violence, but we must always be positive. See something greater out of that, because negative is the order of the day. People always speak negative about you. People don't want you to excel in life. But I'm here to tell you, you motivate you and you push yourself to do greatness, to do good, and to do what you have called to do. The enemy will always steal your joy, will always steal your promise. But I'm here to tell you what you can remind the enemy of. Remind him of your future. The enemy don't know your future. He always remind you of your past. I'm here to tell you, don't look at the negative side. Don't look at what the enemy stole. But I'm here to tell you, let us have that mentality, let us have that mind, is that we are in this world, but we can make a difference, and we can always be positive. We see what's taking place in the world today. Let us always be positive. Let us always see the positive outcome. It might be a war, it might be gang violence, but see the positive. There's young people rising up and doing something great. There's people doing mission work. There's people doing a lot of great things. Let us see the positive outcome. It's not going to always be like that. It's not always going to be a civil war. It's not always going to be when people are going to fight you. It's not always like that. I'm on my lines break, and I've realized that let us always be positive. It's difficult, but see the positive in a negative condition. See the positive in the community you're in. It might be gang violence, but the greatest weapon that you got is prayer. Prayer changes everything. And then we will say, this is what God has done. This is what God has done. I'm here to tell somebody, believe in yourself and always see the good thing in a positive. It won't always be negative. It won't always be where there's war and rumors, where there's fights. But I'm here to tell you, let us come out and be positive, and let us see the good also in our brother, and let us celebrate one another, because we as people today, if I'm succeeding, I want people to be happy with me. Let us be happy for one another, and let us achieve success, and let us see God doing something great in this time, and let us see a positive out of everything. Things are going to change. It's not easy, but I have that mentality. I always say have a victor's mentality, but not a defeated mentality. It's easy, but have that mentality of you will get through this. Always speak a positive word over yourself, and always speak it. And know God is in control. It's not always going to be like that. May you all have a great day. And this is the month of March. God is still going to do a magnificent thing in somebody's life. You are who God says you are. You are glorious, and you will overcome it. Be blessed.